Hello, my name is Adolphus Gibson from Princeton College. Currently doing Lanos RT210, and today I'll be demonstrating a lot of commands here in Lanos ubuntu server. So due to time, let's dive straight into it. As per the instruction here are the question display the content of the data in the server. Question 2, that's the data in server owned by user, not root. Another question here. So we're going to do this step by step. For time's sake, I already prepared my comments. So I'm going to just doing copy and paste. Okay, first of all, let's go to my AWS. Here they are. Here is it. There's my ubuntu running right here. This is running. Process this my corporate API address, and I can launch my instance. It's already launched. So now let's go to SSH. Now we are here. I successfully connect to SSH to my Ubuntu server. So what we are going to do now is we are going to answer the questions. And here they are. Display the content of a data server. So, like I said before or earlier, here is the content of my data server. Here is my command or my prompt. It is visible here. Here is the content of my server. It is visible. Play. So now let's go to the second question here to answer our question. So that data once owned by user and now root. So we are going right there. As you can see, I'm the user of Ubuntu, and this is not root. Here. So, what are we waiting for? Let's go to our next question for answer. Input of the Instagram Y. So, they're asking questions about DF minus H. Yes, yes. The output of the DF minus H was written into data one slash server one using the greater than redirection operator. Later in the lab, that output was replaced when on name minus a greater than data server executed demonstrate that overwrite a file. While in this demonstration, I first show that the data recovery is owned by user account Ubuntu and not by root user. This confirms that I successfully changed the ownership using the throwing command. Next, I display the content of the data slash server and file using the cat command. The file contains information that I collected during the lab. It includes the output of the on name minus a, which shows the Linux kernel version and operating system details. As you can see here. So we are now going to our next question here. What we're looking here is, let's say in your own word describe, well, okay, okay, sudo. Sudo allow user to temporarily run commands with administrative privileges. It is used to tasks that require higher permissions, such as creating directories in protected location or changing files. So like when you are running certain command in a CMD in a window, so you need to run like for example, you need to run CMD as administrator to perform certain major tasks. So without sudo in Linux, you can now run major and administrative command. So that's all about sudo. Now our next here is a describe what command PS does. The PS command displays the process that are currently running on the system. It helps administrator monitor active program and demonstrate troubleshooting system issue. Now for common demonstration for PS, let's see what we have for PS command here so that we can see what is already about PS command. So there's not much. This is also telling the PS is in detail of server one. So thank you. We are all still in the learning process. Hope to see you in the next video. Thank you.